So now we are going to discuss in this class, that is about the layout. So suppose we are going to arrange the components on our Java frame, and just I am going to assume this is our Java frame. So यहाँ पर आप जो देख रहे हो on the top of there ये components है, इसको कैसे arrange किया गया है, you have to see this. So how can we, so layout is nothing but a way of arrangement of your component. That is the meaning of layout. So if we are asking that what is layout, so layout we will be say this is the way of arrangement. So हम कहेंगे way of arrangement of our data, right? So we have to discuss about that. So layout, so we are going to say way of arrangement. Okay, so way of arrangement, how can we arrange the data on our frame? That is the meaning of layout. So because we have the Java frame and we have to set our components as my desired choice, right? So now I'm going to tell you, by default JFrame is follow the card layout, your card layout. So you have to discuss about, by default every your Java frame it will follow the card layout. So now if you are asking that, sir, what is card layout, we are not getting to this point. So I'm going to tell you that is the card layout means you can see on the, we are going to like play the some cards game, like 56 card is there, we have to the see that one is the like this type of card. And card layout means what you can see, there is a so many card is like 56 card is there, but you can see only the top of that, right? आप टॉप ऑफ जो कार्ड है वही आपको शो करता है, और जो बैक साइड के जो कार्ड होते हैं वो आपको शो नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ आपको टॉप वाला जो है वो शो करेगा. डैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ कार्ड लेआउट. तो अगर आप मान लो कि कंपोनेंट्स को अरेंज करते हैं और जो टॉप पर होगा वही आपको शो करेगा, और जो मिड जो इसके बैक साइड में चलते जाएंगे वो आपको शो नहीं करेंगे. बट कंपोनेंट्स विल बी देयर, बट यू कैन सी ओनली द स्क्रीन ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट पार्ट. That is the by default JFrame is talking about the card layout, right? So now how can we solve the problem? Suppose on the label you created here, so in this code you have to understand, when I run to this code and you can see like this type of frame is running, is coming on, just wait that. So when I am running to this code and my is the here I have the Java frame, and this frame you can see this is the label, this is the one component. And suppose I created one label, one more label here I created here, right? So now what will be the happen? So bottom of there, so welcome to Java world will be the out. So I am going to show you, see here I am going to create the one more label, that is a Java label. And here I am going to create the one object is the L2, my object name. And you have to the new is the my Java label is the J label. And now in that I am giving the message, okay, right? So here I am giving the message top of the screen, we have to the see that top of the screen. So I am giving the message here to this. So here I created the two levels, right? So what is happening, oh, I mistaking to one code here, Java level is come to the J level. Okay, so two level I created, one is the first level and this is the second level. Now I was discussing with you, this JFrame by default is following the card layout. Which one is the top, it will only the show, and remaining will be the hide. So just I am closing to this frame, and now we have once again I am going to run to this code to understand. Come to the first map. So it's going on something, once again is going to the stuck. Okay, now it's going on, it's running to this code, and you have to the see what's happening, what is the card layout I want to show you. So just running little bit wait. So what is going on, so this is the top, what is that top, this is the welcome to Java world. ये फर्स्ट हमारा कंपोनेंट है, ये सेकंड कंपोनेंट है. तो जो जब कम स्कैन होगा तो पहला ये टॉप एलिमेंट होगा और ये बैक साइड में होगा, तो ये वाला पार्ट हाइड कर गया, और उसके ऊपर ये हमें प्रिंट करके दे रहा है वेलकम टू जावा वर्ल्ड. गेट योर पॉइंट. अगर मैं इस मैसेज को ऐसे आपको कर देता हूँ, दैट इज़ द फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, टॉप राइट, टॉप ऑफ द, we have to understand only to this concept. So what I'm going to do is just wait. It's working to this part. So top of the, like I am writing the top of, or here I am going to writing the bottom of for the understanding. So bottom of, okay. So now we have to the understand. So now I am going to create it to this code, and we are going to create a label, because I created a two labels. So we have to see the two messages, one is the top of the, one of the bottom of. But what is happening here, see here, only the we can see this label, and remaining will be the hide. This is the card layout form. You have to just see this. Top of the message is coming only, right, label, but bottom of there is not coming, right. So यहाँ पर जो bottom of है इसको hide कर दिया है. अगर मैं इसको that's we have to the, this is the card layout form. So we need to close to this frame, and मैं इसको हटा दे रहा हूँ. इसके जो इसके बैक वाला है उसको मैं देखना चाहता हूँ बॉटम ऑफ लेवल. तो इसको मैंने हटाया, तो अब टॉप पे कौन होगा, ये वाला पार्ट होगा. तो अभी बॉटम ऑफ को प्ले करेगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रन टू दिस कोड, and we have to the see it's going on. Oh, voilà. It's going on. What's error is going on?
add LP होगा उसमें.
Yeah, right. Thank you very much. So we are going to run to this code. Yeah, bottom of this message is going on, right. So what is happening here, that's a pointage we have to just say, by default your Java frame is following the card layout, right. So which one is the top only can see, and remaining will be the hide. So this is our conclusion of our discussion here, right. So thank you to the